Slow cooker shredded chicken. 500 grams chicken breast fillets. 200 grams chicken thigh fillets, fat trimmed, without fat. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. Half a teaspoon ground paprika. 1/4 teaspoon Mexican chili powder. If you don't have it, then you can made with paprika, cumin, chili and garlic. Add them and use. 250 milliliters, 1 cup, smoky barbecue sauce. If you don't have, then its link is in the description. You can made at home, don't worry. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Place the chicken in the slow cooker. Add the remaining ingredients and stir until combined. Cover and cook on low for 6 hours, turning, leave the chicken halfway through cooking. Step 3. Transfer chicken to a plate or board. Use 2 forks to coarsely shred the chicken. Return chicken to slow cooker and stir with the liquid until well combined. Now enjoy your meal. If you like the video, please thumbs up.